No pumps, no electricity, no complicated setups, just pure plant magic. Welcome to the world of passive hydroponics, where growing fresh produce is easier than ever. Alright, imagine this. You've always wanted a thriving indoor garden, but the thought of tangled tubes, constant water flow, and expensive equipment makes you hesitate. What if I told you there's a simpler way? A method so effortless that your plants practically take care of themselves. Passive hydroponics is the low-maintenance, high-efficiency answer to all your plant-growing dreams. Whether you're a newbie gardener or an experienced grower tired of technical headaches, this is your moment to go green, without the stress. So how does passive hydroponics work? And why are more people ditching traditional gardening for this futuristic but shockingly simple system? Stick around because I'm about to break it all down, plus some insider tips on how to get started today. Passive hydroponics is all about efficiency and simplicity. No pumps, no power. Unlike traditional hydroponics, this system relies on capillary action and wick-based watering, so no electricity or moving parts. Water conservation uses way less water than soil gardening because the roots absorb only what they need, reducing waste. Low maintenance forgets constant refills. This system keeps your plants hydrated for weeks with minimal effort. Perfect for beginners, no tech skills required. If you can fill a container with water, you can do this. Let's be honest, traditional hydroponic setups can be intimidating. There's pH balancing, air pumps, complex tubing, and let's not even talk about the times I accidentally flooded my kitchen trying to set one up. Passive hydroponics, it's beginner-friendly, no mess, and no stress. Think of it as the slow cooker of gardening. Set it, forget it, and watch your plants thrive. What does this mean for you? Urban gardening made easy. Whether you live in an apartment or have limited outdoor space, passive hydroponics lets you grow fresh produce effortlessly. Sustainable growing reduces water waste and eliminates the need for energy-consuming equipment. Food security, fresh homegrown herbs, veggies, and even strawberries, all without soil or daily watering. No more worrying about forgetting to water your plants. They take care of themselves, finally. Alright, your turn. Have you ever tried passive hydroponics? What's your favorite plant to grow? Let me know in the comments. And if this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone looking for a stress-free way to grow their own food. But here's the big question. Can passive hydroponics handle big crops like tomatoes and cucumbers? In the next episode, I'm pushing this system to the limit to find out. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it.